Welcome, YouTube enthusiasts! Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of YouTube's algorithm and uncovering the secrets to channel growth. Understanding how YouTube's algorithm works is crucial for any content creator looking to expand their reach and maximize their impact on the platform. Imagine the possibilities that await you when you crack the code of YouTube's algorithm. By leveraging its power effectively, you have the potential to skyrocket your channel's growth, attract more viewers, and ultimately, achieve your content creation goals. In this video, we will be peeling back the layers of YouTube's algorithm to reveal the hidden gems that can propel your channel to new heights. From decoding how views, likes, comments, and watch time influence your video's performance to unraveling the mysteries behind suggested videos and search rankings, we've got you covered. Get ready to uncover the secrets that successful YouTubers use to stay ahead of the game and dominate the platform. Whether you're a seasoned creator looking to fine-tune your strategies or a newcomer eager to make your mark, this video will equip you with the knowledge and insights you need to thrive in the competitive world of YouTube. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Understanding YouTube's algorithm. To truly master YouTube's algorithm and boost your channel's growth, it's essential to grasp the key components and factors that influence its decision-making process. Watch time, engagement, and click-through rate are three critical elements that play a significant role in how your videos are ranked and recommended on the platform. Watch time, the total amount of time viewers spend watching your videos, is a crucial metric that signals to YouTube the quality and relevance of your content. The longer viewers stay engaged with your videos, the more likely they are to be promoted by the algorithm to a wider audience. Engagement, which includes likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions, indicates how viewers interact with your content. High levels of engagement signal to YouTube that your videos are resonating with your audience, leading to increased visibility and reach. Click-through rate, center, measures the percentage of viewers who click on your video after seeing it in their feed or search results. A high center indicates that your video's title, thumbnail, and metadata are compelling and relevant to viewers, prompting them to click and watch. Audience retention, or the percentage of a video that viewers watch, and video relevance, which assesses how well your content matches a viewer's interests, are also crucial factors that influence the algorithm's recommendations. For example, when a viewer watches a makeup tutorial video, YouTube's algorithm may recommend similar beauty-related content from other creators with high audience retention and relevance scores. By understanding how these components work together, you can optimize your videos to align with the algorithm's preferences and increase your chances of reaching a broader audience. Optimizing content for algorithm success. When it comes to achieving success on YouTube, optimizing your video content to align with the platform's algorithm is key. By implementing strategic tactics, you can increase your video's visibility, attract more viewers, and ultimately grow your channel. Let's explore some effective strategies for optimizing your content to resonate with YouTube's algorithm. Keyword research and metadata optimization are fundamental steps in ensuring your videos are discoverable by the algorithm. By incorporating relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your video's chances of appearing in search results and suggested videos. Thumbnails, titles, and descriptions also play a crucial role in capturing viewers' attention and enticing them to click on your videos. Eye-catching thumbnails, compelling titles, and informative descriptions can significantly impact your video's click-through rate and overall visibility on the platform. Creating engaging and high-quality content is essential for building a loyal audience and gaining the algorithm's favor. Focus on producing content that is valuable, entertaining, and relevant to your target audience. By keeping viewers engaged and satisfied, you can increase watch time, boost engagement metrics, and signal to the algorithm that your videos are worth promoting. Incorporating these strategies into your content creation process can help you optimize your videos for algorithm success and position your channel for growth and success on YouTube. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube's algorithm and maximize your channel's potential. Analyzing data and metrics. In the dynamic world of YouTube, understanding and leveraging data and metrics are essential for tracking channel growth and evaluating algorithm performance. By diving into analytics, content creators can gain valuable insights into their audience's behavior, video performance, and overall channel health. Let's explore the significance of analyzing data and metrics to optimize your YouTube presence. Metrics such as watch time, subscriber count, and traffic sources provide valuable information about how your videos are performing and how viewers are engaging with your content. Watch time, in particular, is a key indicator of viewer interest and can influence how your videos are recommended by the algorithm. Subscriber count reflects your channel's growth and audience loyalty, while traffic sources reveal where your viewers are coming from and how they discover your content. Using data to make informed decisions and adjustments to your content strategy is crucial for staying relevant and competitive on YouTube. By analyzing metrics, you can identify trends, understand audience preferences, and tailor your content to better meet viewer expectations. Whether it's experimenting with different video formats, optimizing titles and thumbnails, or refining your upload schedule, data-driven insights can guide your content creation efforts and help you achieve your channel goals. Regular monitoring and evaluation of performance metrics are essential for tracking progress, identifying areas for improvement, and adapting to changes in viewer behavior and algorithm updates. By staying proactive and responsive to data trends, you can continuously refine your content strategy, engage your audience effectively, and drive sustainable channel growth on YouTube. Collaborations and community engagement. Building a successful YouTube channel goes beyond creating great content. It also involves fostering collaborations and engaging with your community to drive growth and create a loyal following. Let's delve into the role of collaborations and community engagement in elevating your channel to new heights. Collaborating with other creators can open up exciting opportunities to expand your reach, attract new audiences, and tap into fresh perspectives and creative ideas. By partnering with like-minded creators and cross-promoting each other's content, you can leverage each other's strengths, increase visibility, and create engaging and diverse content that resonates with a broader audience. Engaging with your viewers is equally important in cultivating a strong and dedicated community around your channel. Responding to comments, conducting polls to gather feedback, and hosting live sessions to interact with your audience in real time can foster a sense of connection and belonging. By actively involving your viewers in the content creation process, you can build trust, loyalty, and a sense of community that keeps them coming back for more. Encouraging community engagement and building a supportive and interactive community around your channel is key to sustaining long-term growth and success on YouTube. By nurturing relationships with your audience, collaborating with fellow creators, and creating a welcoming and inclusive environment, you can create a thriving community that not only supports your channel but also fuels its growth and impact in the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube. As we come to the end of our exploration into YouTube's algorithm secrets for channel growth, let's recap the key insights and takeaways that can help you unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel. By understanding and leveraging the power of the algorithm, you can propel your channel to new heights and reach a wider audience. Throughout this video, we've discussed the importance of optimizing your content for the algorithm by focusing on key metrics such as watch time, engagement, and click-through rate. We've explored strategies for enhancing your video's visibility through keyword research, metadata optimization, and compelling thumbnails, titles, and descriptions. It's crucial to analyze data and metrics to track your channel's performance, make informed decisions, and continuously refine your content strategy. Collaborating with other creators and engaging with your community can also play a significant role in boosting channel growth and fostering a loyal following. Now, it's time for you to take action. Apply the strategies and insights you've learned in this video to enhance your own channel growth and maximize your impact on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to show your support and stay updated on future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here's to your continued success on YouTube.